Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. This is a new YouTube channel and this is our first video. The channel is basically going to be about our little workshop that we're lucky to have. We've got some storage there and storing a car for a friend of mine under that cover. So that's just stored for the winter. We've got a big space here for a new project we don't have yet, do we, Poppy? Not yet. But mainly it's going to be about our Japanese K-truck, our Honda Acty. There's my daughter Poppy. She's quite a whiz with YouTube, so she's helping me do stuff. So we've got our little Japanese K-truck here, the Honda Acty 1996, but there'll be another video telling you all about this and some how-tos and some top tips and stuff like that, because I know that quite a few people are getting these now. And a lot of people are finding it hard to get parts and stuff, but I've had mine for a few years and I sort of managed to find some good places and websites and stuff, so I can tell you all about that. And this is our one previous owner from the Mark II Golf GTi that we have. So there'll be plenty of videos on this in the coming months, weeks, etc. We're not too sure how often we're going to do videos, are we, Pops? Because we don't live too close to our little workshop. But we'll try and get here as much as we can. So yeah, mainly the channel is going to be about Little Flo, the Acty K truck, the Mark II Golf GTi and the workshop in general. So we've got all of our cleaning stuff that we use. Yeah, random stuff. This is all the cleaning stuff that we use. We got some spares and loads of detailing products. I used to sell detailing products, so I can help people with products and tips for detailing as well. There's my main toolbox, some microfiber cloths and power tools. These are 3 sets of wheels, spare. This is a big pile of junk that we need to get rid of, which we haven't yet, but we're going to do that soon, so that'll be gone soon. This is a bit of racking that we've got, just with some random stuff at the top. Acty spares, Mark II Golf spares and camper van spares, because there is a camper van in Poppy's family. Random camping stuff here. This is the small toolbox that I mainly use because it's got everything I need and it's all sort of nicer tools. And that's sort of the old one with all the older stuff in it. And then here is just loads of stuff that we store. We've got random stuff from a house move. All of those boxes are full of detailing gear that I need to get rid of. So if anybody wants some free detailing stuff, get in touch. And that's all my drum kit stuff at the back there, which I won't go over there anyway. But that's it. So welcome to the workshop and we'll be back soon.